Hi, this video is about how to create this special design cabinet in Customize Wardrobe module. Let's go into Customize Wardrobe module first, then go to Swing Door Wardrobe. Okay, drag this new universal cabinet out. Then change the width to, let's say, 1600 and the height 2002. Okay, and put 0 here to stick it to the wall. Okay, next I'm gonna remove this back panel. As shown in this image, there is no back panel. To do so, press B to enter board selection mode, then click on the back panel and delete. And delete this as well. Then press B to exit board selection. Next, I'm gonna remove the plinth, which is the high kick here, put 0. Okay, then I'm gonna put the side carcass here, and I'm gonna use the same carcass. When you place the carcass near to the existing one, it will auto adjust its size. So I will stick them together first to auto adjust its height. Then I'll change the width and depth to 400. Then stick them together again, and I will edit this to 400 too. Okay, and I'll remove the plinth of this one as well. Next, I'm gonna rotate this carcass. So press Z to enter rotate mode, then rotate accordingly. Okay. Next, to add the shelf inside, right-click the carcass, select Add Function Part, double-click to open the relevant folders, and drag out the laminate and place it here. And I'll change the distance to 300. I'll drag out another one here, also 300. Okay, then you may also right-click and select Array. Let's say I put 2 here and confirm. You will get 2 shelves with the same distance. I will place the laminate here also and change the distance to 300, and one more on top, also 300. Okay, next I'm gonna place a neutral board here so that I can make swing door later. Okay, and here I will lay up some laminates. Okay, to make door you need to enter board selection mode. Then press Ctrl and select up, down, left, right panel. Then right click, door panel, swing door generation. So you have a door now. Now here comes the main focus of today, which is the arc edges here. Make sure you are still in board selection mode. Then right click on the panel, select point to edit panel. As you can see here, the panel is now rotated horizontally. The left side is the bottom and the right here is the top. Let's say I'm gonna make the arc here, so just click on the point, then select circumscribe arc here. As you can see here, it become arc already. To smoothen the arc, you can increase the line segment, let's say 10, and the tangent length is the radius of the arc. Let's say I change to 150. Alright, so we're just gonna repeat the same steps on the bottom. Okay, just click on the point, select circumscribe arc, tangent length change to 150, and line segment change to 10. Click save when you're done. Okay, and click back to exit to the 3D. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same step on the other side and come back. Okay, so we are still in the board selection mode, and I'm going to delete the top and bottom panel of this carcass. And next I'm going to make the top and bottom panel thicker. Say I change to 200 here in H. Okay, 200. Okay, then I need to move this down in Z. So I change it to 2000. Alright. You may then change the material, and we are done.